Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking an early look at the Air Jordan 5s in the RACER blue colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review of the channel. Welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Huge shout out to Apex again for sending me these my way so that I can give this early review. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 5s in the RACER blue colorway. This is set to release February 12th. So we're going to start off by talking about the overview on these, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this, and then we'll conclude with how much these are expected to retail at. Let's jump right into it. So this is a really simplistic all black colorway, as you can see from the upper here in this nice nubuck. Just a nice black upper. As we work our way up, we've got black laces and this translucent netting here on the tongue as we work our way up. Nice metallic-y silver. You can see that really just hitting the light quite nicely. We do have the Jumpman logo in that RACER blue colorway. We've got a nice clear translucent pull tab here for the lace lock system, and it's in this nice royal blue as well with the black Jumpman logo on the inside. Black lace locks in that matted color scheme finish off the upper of the shoe. So let's take a look at those details and move on to the side panels. Working our way to the side panels, again, just a nice simplistic black works its way onto the side with this caging system in the translucent colorway, which is just a nice clear color. As we look at the back of the heel of the sneaker, we've got the Jumpman logo embroidered here in that RACER blue colorway. This is different than some other emblems that you may see on the back of the 5s. The reason that this has the Jumpman logo is because it is not an OG colorway. As we work our way to the bottom of the midsole here, you've got the whole fighter pilot shark look on the midsole in the nice RACER blue color scheme with black, and then that icy translucent outsole. You'll see that we've got the Jumpman logo that you can see through there in the RACER blue colorway, and Jordan on the bottom here in black, and that will complete the sneaker. All right, so let's just take a look at the box. Again, this is an adult sizing, so this comes in a black box with the red Jumpman logo on the top, and then we have the cement pattern on the bottom here. All right, let's look at those details. Let's get into sizing. For all of my Air Jordan 5s, I am true to size. So I'm a 7.5 in men's. So I would highly recommend sticking true to your size in this one. I do have higher to narrow feet, so depending on whether or not you have flatter, wider feet, that could also differentiate a size that works best for you. But I would say stick true to size on this one. All right, so now let's jump into styling. This is such a great color scheme. I love black with royal blue. This is probably one of my favorite color combos, so very excited to be able to do this review for you and also to style it for you. I really wanted to bring some royal blue hues into each of my looks. So for the first look, I decided to wear a royal blue hoodie, which I layered with a shearling black denim coat. And obviously that black and royal blue combo just works really well. I wore that with some cargo pants and a dark denim colorway. I think dark denims really just go and vibe quite nicely with the sneaker color.
You couldn't be honest. You couldn't be honest. You couldn't be honest. You couldn't be.
For the second look, I decided to wear a royal blue tee this time. I layered that with a zip up black hoodie. And then for the bottoms, I decided to mix it up a little bit with some darker kind of acid washed denim. Definitely some nice charcoaly feel in there. And I think that that color tone just goes quite nicely with this. Final look, I wore some gray charcoal trousers, and I also topped that off with a button-down black shirt.
You couldn't be honest. All I wanted was a little bit, just a little bit of honest. You couldn't be honest. All I wanted was a little bit. All I wanted was a little bit. You couldn't be honest. All I wanted was a little bit. A little bit of honest.
So you let me know out of the three looks, what was your favorite of the three, or how would you style these?
You back. Think about your kids, your fans, your girl, the one who are really attached, then the ones who will hold up your back. Give you praise when you're in the trap. Shooting, just hope you get you a stack. But yeah, that's life. You know the price. You know that, right? You know that's right. If life is a movie, you got a choice. So what are you choosing? Bend or you fold. My dogs are holding the code. We never get loosey. These days everyone's wrapped in gold. The money don't change it for you even know. Don't let the snake come change up your goals. Keeping it honest, don't tell them who told. You should change the choices that you're making here. God ain't say your soul so you can break it here. You should stop to think about yourself again. Wait, you already do. You could care less if it ain't about you. You only focus on clothes and hoes and shorties that really could do what they do. That's sad, yeah. And my bad if I just call it like I see it. That's a down shame, yeah, a down shame. If life is a movie, you got a choice. So what are you choosing? Bend or you fold. My dogs are holding the code. We never get loosey. These days everyone's wrapped in gold. The money don't change it for you even know. Don't let the snake up change up your goals. Keeping it honest, don't tell them who told.
Now let's conclude with how much these are expected to retail at. So rumor has it these are expected to retail between $190 to $200, so it's probably going to be around that price point. This again is set to release on February 12th, so good luck to all of you who are planning on going for this sneaker. I hope that you all take W's. That's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks again, Apex. We will have his intel linked down below. If you're interested in snagging a pair of these, be sure to hit him up. Other than that, if you're new here today, thanks for joining. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Feel free to hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.